Hell yeah.
So we're gonna start off we're gonna do something different. If you can see, I got my side view right here, showing you my new earbuds right here. Shout out to Raycon. I know, right? Shout out to Raycon. They actually sent them to me. They actually had me try these things out. We're gonna talk about them. First off, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? So you know why this is good. Shout out to Raycon. These are they everyday earbuds they sent out to me. You know why these have been good for me too? I mean, because usually I don't even have my other headphones in here right now, but usually I have my headphones in because sometimes you get a client, they don't really want to talk, they really want to stay to themselves. You can't watch certain stuff on TV every time, so boom, either you listen to your podcast or listen to the music. And if you like me, you've been entrapped in this rap battle for the past few weeks. So when you got somebody that don't want to talk to you, you know, you say what's up to them, they like, all right, cool. What kind of haircut you want? Boom. We've been listening to Kendrick. We've been listening to Drake. A little bit of J. Cole. He stepped out, but nonetheless, right? But these are their everyday earbuds right here. They sent them out to me. This is the case that they come in. Right, left. Got 32 hours of runtime, has noise cancellation. The good thing about these, right? So before you play your music or your podcast, you hold the button for 10 seconds and it lets you get the noise cancellation, right? Where it's only engulfed in the music or whatever it is that you're listening to, right? But then after that, if you want to, let's say your client starts to say something to you, and you gotta stop your music. You hold it for another 10 seconds where you can still hear your music, but you can also hear what's around you. That also works good for when you got both of them in, because you don't want to entrap yourself into just the sound, especially when you got to look over your shoulder. You can still hear the noise around you, but also got clear sound in your ears of the music or the podcast that you're listening to. They come with their own different sizes of earbuds to add on to it. They come with the very smallest one on it, but that's, for some people it might be fine, but for me it was kind of painful in my ear, so I was able to take the little parts off, try out different ones and see what works for you. It's a great fit, very ergonomical, right? It comes with the Type-C USB charger, and of course, if y'all been watching my reviews and unboxings, y'all know I'm a big fan of the USB, the Type-C charger, because everything's coming with it now. You can have a couple chargers for all your products at one time. So that's what I'm liking. These are $79.99 on the website. Let me see, they might have a deal on them right now. Now it's $79.99 on the website, right? But you do have options of different colors. So you don't gotta just get the black. They got different colors that you can choose from on there as well. You get what I'm saying? Boom, boom. And actually, I was right. If you order them right now, 20% off using this discount code right here, colorful. Save you some money on them. Shout out to Raycon for sending these out to me. Very nice in your ear. 32 hours of runtime. The sound is very nice. They got different options of bass and all that stuff, so you can play with them and get the sound just right for you and make it work for the best. All right, so just try it. I just wanted to throw this in here real quick. Side view in that very crispy. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, and we will be back with another video, another tutorial, another unboxing, something. Peace.